Welcome. Today we're going to learn how to create a graph using Microsoft Excel. First thing you want to do is get on that beginning page of Microsoft Excel and let's create a title for our graph. I'm going to call this Colorado population graph. Alright, now I need to add some data. So starting in column A, I'm going to put the year that we're looking at, and on column B, I'm going to put population. Now I've already done my research, and to save time I'm just going to paste in all the information that I have already collected. And so that's my information on the Colorado population growth over time. To create the chart, I'm going to go back to my columns. I'm going to put my cursor and just move it over until I have all that information in a box. Then I'm going to go to the top of the page, which unfortunately doesn't show on this screen, but where it says Insert, I'm going to do Insert a Chart. And now I have several charts that I can choose from. This is a time you can just kind of play around and see what you like. So I'm going to start by, let's try and make a column chart. All I have to do is click on column. I'll just do a clustered chart, first one, and look, the computer has created a graph for me that shows the growth of Colorado's population over time. Let's try another one. Maybe I want to do a line graph. So let me go online. Let's try a line graph. Okay, that's another way that I can show the growth of Colorado over time. A pie chart wouldn't really work for me. Let me try a bar graph. Let me try a 3D clustered bar graph. All right, there's another good way to show the growth of population over time. I could do an area graph. That's another good way to show. A scatter graph. So the choices are limitless. So just play around with this until you get the graph you like. I think I'm going to stick with the column graph that I originally created. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to click on this graph and I'm going to move it over to this side of the page. And I'm going to do that, and it didn't want to do. Let's try that again. I'm going to do that so that when I print this paper, I'll have all my information on one page. So if I go to the top of my screen and I hit print, I can kind of preview what my printed page will look like. And there you can see I have all my information. I have my title, I've got my data, and then I have my graph that goes with that. And so I can print that when I'm ready. And that's how easy it is to create a graph in Microsoft Excel. Have fun!